So you want to learn how to make an actual edit? Well, you came to the right place. How about we start with a famous soccer player, and you really want to make an edit of him. For that, you will need a couple of clips. See, here are a couple clips I have of the famous soccer player Ronaldo. The first crucial step for a proper edit is choosing a song. Most edits have fonts, so we could also use a popular font for our starter. Once you choose your song, select it and press the plus button. Then it will appear at the bottom where you can mess around with it. Use the beat for your clips. Once the beat starts, you could cut the clip or shorten it and make it transition smoothly with the next clip. Now the beat is adjusted, so let's move on. Another big part of an edit is transitions. Transitions are found at the top next to all the editing tools you will need. You can go in between a clip and select a transition you like or fits well. These are something you can play around with. Keep doing these for every clip so it feels more like an edit, and not just empty clips.
TikTok, que é sucesso tu vai ganhar, tu é mentira tu vai ganhar, pra você tem que fazer tudo que os faixa mandar, minha piroca que eu posto no TikTok, quer ficar famosa, quer ganhar ibope.
Now I have completed my transitions, which make the edit look more interesting. But it still needs something. It's boring and bland, so let's add some effects. Effects are visual or dynamic enhancements applied to video clips to make them more engaging, cinematic, or stylistically unique. Add different effects for the edit so it's not consistent and more interesting to look at. Make sure to add body effects, color effects, and cinematic effects. Choose the effects you like and add them to the video. Move them around so it fits best. Add lots of effects for the video. Usually people add a dark effect after a goal happens, so just go to Effects and write Dark. Choose one and set up the controls so it looks good but different. Add a fade-out animation to your last clip and song so it ends perfectly. The next and important thing to do in your edits is put a watermark on them so people can know it's your work. It's pretty simple, actually. All you need to do is select a text box. It could be a simple text box, or you could in text effects. Simply choose one. Make the text stretch from the start to the end of your video. Place the text wherever you like it on screen by resizing it and moving it around. Mostly it's in a corner. We don't want the text to ruin the video, so we should make it transparent. On the right side of your editing page is your control scroll over the controls, and they will be lots of options for text. Make the text color white and fix the controls. All you really want to find is opacity, which makes the text look more transparent, just like I have it here. Choose a font so it looks more cooler. Your edit is finally complete, so now you can upload it on any platform you use like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and more. If you want a tutorial of how to upload a video, comment down below. I hope this video helped you learn how to make an edit. Bye, everyone.
Faixa manar, minha piroca que eu posto no TikTok. Quer ficar famosa, quer ganhar ibope. Quer ganhar ibope. Quer ficar famosa, já tu vai ganhar. Mas você tem que fazer tudo que os faixa manar. Quer